How to create a jewelry brand. Let's break down how we built the brand for Azeez Jewelry, the world's first luxury house born from Iraq and rooted in Mesopotamian heritage. We started with discovery, asking questions like what do you do? Who is it for? Why should they care? And who are you competing with? You then move these brand personality sliders to determine how you want your brand to be perceived. Then came the strategy, where we map out your product, your audience, your brand story, and your brand personality. Based on this, we put together 3 mood boards for the look and feel. Option 1, the gravitas, regal and ceremonial. Option 2, the muse, cultural and artistic. Option 3, the artisan, mystical and soulful. The client picked the second mood board. Then we proceeded to the logo design phase. Option 1, a double A monogram logo, elegant and simple. Option 2, a serif logo type with floral emblem, refined and cultural. Option 3, an A with a filigree-like curve, organic and artistic. Option 4, 2 overlapping A's that are geometric and timeless. The client leaned towards the clean type of option 4, but wanted a symbol that tied to Mesopotamian heritage, so we turned to lapis lazuli, the sacred blue of Babylon. We researched ancient Babylonian symbols. Option 1 was based on the cuneiform, the world's oldest writing system, the letter A in cuneiform. Option 2, the Mushusu dragon from the Ishtar Gates, a guardian of kings. Option 3, the Ishtar Gates itself, entrance to the city of Babylon that resembled the letter A. Option 4, the Ishtar star, a symbol of divine radiance made from cuneiform lettering. Out of these options, the client liked the concept of the cuneiform as well as the radiating emblem of the Ishtar star. The final mark combines 4 cuneiform-inspired A's arranged like a compass, forming the sparkle of a gemstone. We applied this logo and visual identity across the entire customer experience. Even the shape of the box was inspired by cuneiform tablets. Certificates inscribed with the brand story of Azeez in cuneiform writing, as well as the inside of packaging. Proof that in luxury, detail makes all the difference. Every jewelry piece was set with a lapis lazuli as a hidden signature. Their website was clean and artful, built for the modern discerning customer. It blended immersive storytelling with a flawless showcase of their collection, obsessing over every detail. From digital ads positioning Azeez as the house of cultural jewelry, to social media that sparked meaning, to billboards that commanded attention, and stationery that reinforced prestige. This is how cultural roots become luxury, from ancient Mesopotamia to the world. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit subscribe. I share branding breakdowns that show how we turn ordinary brands into iconic brands.